Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or integrate WhatsApp in Wix Chat app. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using chat in our Wix website. So we are using this app, Wix Chat app. So I already installed this. Now close. So this is a chat. Let's chat. And now we are going to integrate WhatsApp with this chat. So click on it and then you see settings. So again click on it. Now open and then you see multiple options. So you will find detailed video link in video description. So I already uploaded video in YouTube how to add this chat in Wix. So you will find that video link in video description. So you can check out that video and then you can add Wix chat. So we are in Wix chat, you see multiple options and then you see channels, so click on it. Now you see add channels to your chat box. Now you see let visitor reach out with their favorite platform like WhatsApp. So click on manage channel. So we are in setting communication channel chat. Now you see channels and then you see add button to your chat box. So visitor can reach out with their favorite channels. Messenger phone call coming soon. And then you see WhatsApp. Enable this option and then you see setting your phone number with country code, so you can add your phone number, and then you see WhatsApp info text, so you can add this text according to requirement, and then you see pre-filled message. Enter a default message visitor can send to you via WhatsApp. If you want you can customize this. So this is our preview. So now we are going to add number. So in field you see number format. So we added number. Now you see and then click on save changes. And then you see changes save. Now close, again close, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our contact page and then you see let's chat. So click on it. So add some message. Also you see WhatsApp icon here. So you can select according to requirement. Now select and then you see we are available on WhatsApp during this time. Open WhatsApp. You see two options here. And then click on open WhatsApp and then you see chat on WhatsApp with this number, continue to chat. Now you see pre-default message. So in this way you can add or integrate your WhatsApp channel in Wix chat. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.